30 years since the Oklahoma City bombing and changed us forever. Tonight, we are hearing from a man who played a pivotal role in getting justice for the 168 lives lost on April 19, 1995.
It's the judge who presided over the state's case against one of the men behind the attack. He spoke to Oklahoma City's Rotary Club today, and News 4's Spencer Humphrey shares the lesson he says we still need to take away from what happened to prevent it from happening again. Spencer?
Yeah, his message all about carrying forward the mission first started by first responders on that day 30 years ago to promote truth and justice to ensure this can never happen again. It's nearly 30 years since the day that forever changed Oklahoma City, but it's still fresh for former Oklahoma Supreme Court Justice Stephen Taylor.
When I go to the memorial grounds and walk among those 168 empty chairs, I think about the obligations that we owe to those 168 lost lives.
Taylor was a district court judge back in April 1995 when terrorist Timothy McVeigh tragically carried out the plan he and accomplice Terry Nichols plotted to bomb the Murrah Federal Building.
The first obligation that we owed was best defined on that day 30 years ago when a group of heroic first responders spray painted words on the wall of the corner of the building.
Speaking at the Rotary Club of Oklahoma City Tuesday, 3 decades later, Taylor remembered those words verbatim.
We search for the truth. We seek justice. The courts require it. The victims cry for it, and God demands it.
As a judge, Taylor presided over the state's trial against Nichols.
It was a hard-fought 4-month jury trial.
Jurors found Nichols guilty on 161 counts of first-degree murder.
It became clear early on that the motive for this crime was the defendant's hatred for our government and our Constitution.
30 years, long enough for those of us who weren't even alive that day to become adults and grow curious about what happened before we were here. Unfortunately, Taylor says it's also been long enough for some who were around then to try to take advantage of that.
The many, many wild conspiracy theories that uninformed people and some journalists seeking attention seem to promote from time to time. So I can tell you that with certainty, knowing all the evidence in this case, that McVeigh and Nichols planned this crime, they carried it out, and no one else was actively involved.
Misinformation, false information, things he says fueled the terrorist motives that day. Things also he says may be more rampant today than ever. Things he says we have to stay vigilant of to ensure April 19th, 1995 never happens again.
We must never waver from the rule of law.
And Terry Nichols, by the way, ended up being sentenced to 161 consecutive life sentences with no possibility of parole. He remains locked up in a federal supermax prison in Colorado.